Really trying to not focus on Corona, but I can already tell you it's on the Intense 5. Ash, you ready? Let's go. The constant rumors just this week that COVID-19 is here. Wanna stop making up stories and stressing people out now? As old-time people would say, stop, set, goat, mouth. So, Elephant Man posts that he's shelling down Italy, isn't he? But unfortunately, so is the coronavirus. Yeah. I wonder if he knows he's going to be quarantined when he gets back. Ellie, just make sure you be safe.
Yes,
it's not only about the hairstyle this time.
And the image.
And the image.
Not corona related, thank goodness. Sean Paul on Access Hollywood. Watch this.
Sean joins us now with so much going on in your life. Let's begin with the newest addition, your baby girl. How old is she now?
She's 6 months now.
Oh, beautiful family.
Thank you.
Congrats,
Remy
man.
Lee and Levi Blaze on my beautiful wife, Jody.
Oh, that's it.
But
One of each, huh?
Yeah. Right.
Now, you gonna go for the tiebreaker, or are you good right now?
I don't know. We were saying 2, and then she was saying, my wife was saying, if we got another boy, she would go again.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we got Remy. We were blessed with Remy, and it was so good. And then she's like, maybe one more.
Well, Mario and I will tell you, as a mother of daughters, and he has a buckle up. Boy, get ready for that girl. She's gonna come in hot.
It's
Exactly.
fun, man.
It was not a submarine. On Thursday, persons recorded an orange lifeboat from a docked ship that landed downtown. They were collecting supplies, but of course we overreacted and made a link to COVID-19 coming to our shores. Luckily, the mayor squashed the rumors.
Yep. And finally holding the spot this week, yet another video making the rounds, but this one is a bit disturbing. Young boys posing with guns, and when I say young, I mean teenagers. Police have asked for help identifying them, but it's just really sad to see. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us at TVJ Intense on IG. Up next, we look back at Ace God's Intense interview, and Sanjay releases Hype Yourself. Intense soon forward.